These are 2 frozen bananas. I keep them in the freezer as whole, and then I use them as a fat or butter substitute or an egg substitute. I'm going to heat up the skin of a banana that I just took out of the freezer, which makes it really easy to peel. So I keep doing this and turning it around until I start to feel the skin getting soft and squishy to the touch. My water is very hot. Okay, so the top of my banana peel is coming off, so that's a great indicator. Look at that. I'm using the back of my paring knife to clean off the excess from the peel. Which is really easy because the banana is actually still frozen. I have a garburator, so it's a godsended dream. I just peel it into the sink and down the drain it goes. And then I just cut it in chunks and let it thaw while I'm going to now chop and prep and soak some dates to go into the oat bran muffins. See you at the other station. I've heated the banana mixture a little bit, so now the bowl feels a little warmer. It doesn't feel like everything's frozen. And the banana actually breaks down pretty easy once it starts to get heated up.